Happy Friday! Greetings from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. Video about the weather. Partly cloudy, Friday morning, 10:30, 20 degrees, expecting 23, 4. And we had some rain. And will be more probably, but only just gentle rain, you know. So we are happy here. It's good for papas, they say, for potatoes. You can see fountain working. Buenos dias. They allowed me to show you a fountain without ticket. So let's see, it is amazing. Cesar Manrique, work of art. Buenos dias. La belleza. The beauty in Spanish. So we can learn some words in Spanish. La belleza, the beauty. Here we can see 1977 Cesar Manrique, and you can see the bottom of this amazing art piece here. Muchísimas gracias, amigo. And today is a very special day, 15th of November. We are going to hike to Playa Los Patos to celebrate new inspiration, new life, new happiness, to celebrate love for life and for everything. Beautiful. I need to find El Niño. He's walking with Brigitte, our lovely friend from Germany. There they are. Hello, Brigitte. Yeah. Some lovely waves, and some surfers are still without neoprene. Temperature of the water is 22.6 degrees. Still lovely. So have a beautiful Friday. Best wishes from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.